You are living more in the moment. You are in that state of the present more. And according to Bashar, all of us have had this experience. We're doing something we love to do. We do not feel the passage of time in the same way.
Hmm.
Let's say you're doing something for a couple of hours and you look up and you realize, oh, I've been doing this for a couple of hours. It only felt like it was about 20 minutes. He is literally saying, when it feels like it's only been 20 minutes, you've only aged 20 minutes, literally. So he is definitely saying time is flexible, it's malleable, and the more you live in the present, the more you become ageless. And that's why people who you see who really do love what they do, who really act on their passion, always seem to have more vitality. Yes, they mature, but they always seem to have more energy and more vitality and more life in them. And they seem to live longer for the most part, because again, they're living in the moment. They're not experiencing the passage of time.